Binary numbers. Computer plays an important role in our daily life. It receives, stores and processes the information using two digits 0 and 1 called binary digits or bits. So any number, however large, returned using two digits 0 and 1 is called binary number. The numbers which we studied are called decimal numbers. These numbers are having base 10 and binary number is having base 2. Conversion of base 10 number into binary numbers. How can we convert? If here is 13, question number 1, here is 13 and we want to convert this base 10 number in the form of binary number. So we have to divide it by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, 1 is remainder. Now again by 2, remainder will be here. 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0. Again 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. So this 13 of base 10 can be written as 1101 1101 as base 2 number. So 13 as binary number is 1101. 129 base 10 number, we have to convert it in the base 2 form. So it is 129 divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 1 is remainder. Again divide by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, remainder is 0. Again by 2, 16, remainder is 0. Again by 2, it is 8 and remainder is 0. Again by 2, 2 4 are 8, remainder is 0. Again by 2, 2 2 are 4 and remainder is 0. Again divided by 2, so 2 1 are 2, remainder is 0. So what is binary number? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 2 3 4 5 6 0 and then 1. So it is base 2 number. So binary conversion of 129 is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. In similar way we can convert any number. This was question number 1, first part, and this one is second part. Now question number 2. Convert 781. We have to convert 781 in the binary form. So how we can convert it? Divided by 2. 2 3 are 6 or 1 7, 2 9 are 18 and 0, remainder is 1. Again by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18, 2 5 are 10, remainder is 0. Again by 2. 2 9 are 18, 1 19, 2 7 are 14 or 1 15. Again by 2. 2 4 are 8 or 1 9, 2 8 are 16 or 1. Again by 2, 24, remainder is 0. Again by 2 it is 12, remainder is 0. Again by 2 it is 6, remainder 0. Again by 2 it is 3, remainder is 0. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. So 1 is here. So what is 781 at base 10 can be converted as 110000 110000 1101 at base 2. So it is the binary conversion of any number by which we can convert in the form of binary. Convert the following binary numbers to decimal. Now conversion of binary into decimal. So 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. We have to convert it in the form of decimal. In the decimal form. Decimal form means base 10 form. It is base 2 and we have to convert it base 10. So how we can do this? तो 2 रेज़ टू पावर 0, 2 रेज़ टू पावर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो 1 into 2 raised to power 9. Convert the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो 1 into 2 raised to power 9 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0. Now 2 raised to power 9 512 plus it is 256 plus 128 plus 0 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. So what is it? It is 8 or 4 12, 12 or 2 14, 14 or 8 22, 22 or 6 28, 28 or 2 30 का 0, carry 3, 3 or 1 4, 4 or 5 9, 9 or 2 11, 11 or 3 14 का 4, carry 1, 1 1 2, 2 4 5 9, 940. So this will be 940. Again another number which we have to convert binary number in the form of decimal number or base 10 number. How can we convert it? 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. How can we convert it? So first count the digits 0 1 2. This first take 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 into 2 raised to power 9 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 8 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 7 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0. So it is 512 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 raised to power 4 means 16 plus 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2 and plus 0. Now 512 or 16, 528 or 536, 540, 542. So what is the number? This number is 542. Another example I am taking here 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. It is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 into 2 raised to power 7 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. So now 1 into 2 raised to power 0, it is equal to 256 plus 128 plus 6, something is wrong, 2 raised to power 7, it is 128, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1 1. So 128 or 64, 192, 192, 1 or 32, 194, 224, 240, 248, 249. So it is 249. Is that clear? This is the binary conversion binary number into decimal number or decimal number into binary number you have studied in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.